Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the bubble stitch. I use this stitch on my Nozu lion plushies to create these tiny feet. If you like to make this cutie, you can find the full video tutorials linked in the top right hand corner and in the description box. Let's get started. First, yarn over and then insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2. Now we have 2 loops left on the hook. We will repeat the same above steps into the same stitch 5 times in total until we have 6 loops on the hook. So this is the second repeat. Yarn over. Now insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2. So we currently have 3 loops on the hook. So this is the third repeat. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. This is the fourth repeat. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. 1, 2. So now we have 5 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we are about to do the 5th and final repeat. So yarn over, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we will have 6 loops on our hook. To finish the bubble stitch, do a final yarn over and pull through all the 6 loops. There. That completes one bubble stitch. Gently push the stitch outward to refill the bubble shape. Importantly, when you finish this step, pull the next stitch that you do nice and tight to avoid holes in your plushie. Let me demonstrate this by doing a single crochet on the next stitch. Now, pull nice and tight. Let's do another one for demonstration. I'm gonna do it slightly faster. I'm just going to do one more single crochet. So first begin with yarn over. Insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to repeat the same above steps into the same stitch 5 times in total. Second repeat. Third repeat. Fourth repeat. Finally, this is the 5th and last repeat. So we will have 6 loops on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To finish, yarn over and pull through all 6. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please drop me a like. You can find more crochet tutorials on my channel. Take care, my loves.